Thank you very much,
Yes, sir.
Mr. Chairman. Pranam to Jain Saab, office bearers, all past chairmen of the branch, my colleagues and friends. आज जैन साहब का आशीर्वाद पाकर सी डे के ऊपर मैं धन्य हो गया एंड आई थैंक मिस्टर बरेडिया एंड द कमिटी for giving this opportunity to be with you and share my views in this morning. I wish that we perform as per expectation of the society and the regulators. Mr. Mahapatra has uttered a lot of words of wisdom with regard to their expectation from our society. And he has referred that we chartered accountants are economic warriors. I remember the governor of Madhya Pradesh, Mr. Bhai Mahavir ji, when he inaugurated one of our conference, he referred us as financial soldiers. So this is the time that today is the time that we make our self-assessment and we come to the expectation of society as financial or soldiers. Friends, our branch was inaugurated in 1982 and I was the first secretary, but I could not attend the inaugural function as I was to America in GSC program of Rotary Club. I had completed 50 years this year, and if the Mr. Baradia and Chairman permits me, I will travel you to past about our institutional activities in Chhattisgarh. Friends, when I look back in past 50 years, I find tremendous growth in the size and the scope of the profession. New horizons have opened due to globalization in economy and more because of new regulators requiring compliances under various old and new acts. Friends, my Guru Shri G.C. Jain Saab, and today I must remember Mr. Onkar Dayal, who was financial director in Vela Steel Plant, and with their enthusiasm and other members, in 1977, Chhattisgarh Chartered Accountant Association was formed. And this association, because there was no branch at that time, this association was conducting the programs like CP program which we are conducting these days. Thereafter, in those days Delhi was considered as काफी दूर होती है, दिल्ली दूर होती है. So Jain Saab had a liaison with Dr. R.C. Vash. He was from Kanpur and he was a big help to our branch for establishing branch at Raipur. And for that purpose, sometime in 1980, Jain Saab deputed me and Mr. Ramesh Sancheti to visit that time President Mr. Bansi S. Mehta, who was attending one of the seminar at Gwalior, to present our case before him and convince him that we are eligible for a branch at Raipur. And I and Mr. Sancheti went to Gwalior and sharing one berth. That time, sharing one berth, you can understand the difficulties those days. And under the guidance and help of Dr. R.C. West, our branch got all the benefits which that time we could have. Later on, must remember the help of Mr. Nripen Gupta. He was also from Kanpur and he also helped the members of the branch in getting all the benefits and our rights, whatever we can get from the Institute of Chartered Accountants. Friends, I feel honored that I was secretary for the 4 years and chairman of 3 years. I feel that I was very lucky that I had occasion to work under senior Mr. M.N. Deshpande Saab. That time he was first chairman and he gave me open hand, said, Gauri Shankar ji, you work and whatever you say, I will be there always to help you. That time we had very limited resources. I think we were getting rupees 25 or something like that, each member for running our branches. And we arranged, we were not having our own offices in the earlier days. We were conducting our meetings in the office of Mr. Dhanashir Finance, because of courtesy of Mr. Madan Shah, who permitted us to use their premises. Friends, you will be surprised to know that in those days our library was mobile. Wherever the chairman was, there was a new chairman, the library was shifting to his office, and from there the library work was going on. I also want to share one of the incident that when there was occasion, there was a need that we should have a high examination center. And that time the requirement of examination center was 200 or some examinations. For that we made efforts and got confirmation letters from Odisha, Sambalpur and all those places where the candidates confirmed that yes, they will opt Raipur if the examination center is established at Raipur. And by that great effort, we could have the examination center at Raipur. And once when I was either secretary or chairman, I don't remember exactly, our examinations were conducted in Ravi Shankar University, Raipur. In 1 year, RSU expressed its inability to hold the examination of chartered accountancy in their premises. And that time, there was no other match in Raipur, no other infrastructure of conducting such examination was available. So I went to Bhopal, stayed there for 3 days, and I met Sri Satyanarayana Sharma. Sri Satyanarayana Sharma, present MLA, that time he was Minister of Education in undivided Madhya Pradesh. He helped us greatly. He asked the Vice Chancellor, see that this is the only examination center in Chhattisgarh, and that time also there was a great appreciation for the chartered accountants in the government area. And by his help, we could continue the examination at Raipur. Friends, the only thing which I understand, the one thing I understand, the majority of the people, even in the government circle, they understand that our institute is an association of chartered accountants. There is a misconception. They don't know that it is a regulatory body and it is by the enact of the parliament. Friends, these are my experience in the past. Friends, branch earned goodwill due to the activities, the enthusiasm of leaders that time and the members, the cooperation between the members, as well other facilities. I wish the glory of the branch be maintained by the present committee, by the members, and in the future they come. Thank you very much for the opportunity given to me. Thank you very much.